Looking for cleaning gadgets that truly make your life easier? In this video, we're diving into Amazon's best cleaning tools that actually work, saving you time and effort while keeping your home spotless. Let's explore these must-have gadgets. This electric spin scrubber is a game changer for cleaning, with 3 adjustable spin speeds that make tackling stubborn stains effortless, perfect for everything from kitchen counters to bathroom tiles. Its long-lasting battery powers up to 320 minutes of cleaning, while the LCD screen ensures you're always in control of the battery and speed settings. With 7 replaceable brush heads, a knife sharpener, and a creative storage base that doubles as a decorative piece, this versatile scrubber is the ultimate cleaning companion for any home. Cleaning hard-to-reach rain gutters is now effortless with the Gutter Cleaning Wand's telescoping pole, extending from 40 to 70 inches. Its rotating zinc nozzle and 4-position spray head ensure you can target every angle with precision, tackling debris with ease. Built to last with lightweight, non-corrosive materials and a non-slip padded grip, this wand offers both durability and comfort, making gutter maintenance a breeze season after season. This cleaning gel is a versatile tool for tackling dirt and dust in hard-to-reach places like car air vents, cup holders, keyboards, and more. Made from eco-friendly materials, it's safe to use and incredibly easy. Just press, lift, and watch the dirt disappear. Reusable until it turns black, this long-lasting cleaning solution comes in a sealed jar for convenient storage, making it a reliable companion for spotless surfaces every time. Smart Trash Can takes waste management to the next level with its one-touch self-sealing mechanism, automatically packing trash so you never have to touch it. After removing the sealed bag, it even replaces it with a new one, saving you time and effort. With a touchless lid, voice prompts, and a long battery life of up to 180 days, convenience and cleanliness in every corner of your home. This 10-in-1 Steam Mop delivers chemical-free cleaning, using the power of heated steam to keep your home safe for kids and pets. In just 30 seconds, it's ready to clean hardwood floors, tiles, carpets, and even doubles as a handheld steamer for clothes, upholstery, and drapes. With a swivel mop head, collapsible handle, and a full set of accessories, it's lightweight, versatile, and perfect for tackling dirt, grime. The Scrub Daddy is a game changer for cleaning, with its temperature-controlled flex texture foam that's firm in cold water for tough scrubbing and soft in warm water for gentle cleaning. Scratch-free and safe for over a dozen surfaces, it's perfect for everything from dishes to cars, bathtubs, and even sneakers. Designed to resist odors for up to 8 weeks and ergonomically shaped for a comfortable grip, Scrub Daddy is a versatile, durable, and downright cheerful cleaning companion. The microfiber gap duster is the perfect tool for tackling hard-to-reach spaces, with an extendable stainless steel pole that stretches from 26 to 55 inches. Its bendable, ultra-slim head, just 0.3 inches thick, easily slides into tight gaps, corners, and under furniture where traditional mops or dusters can't reach. With a reusable microfiber cover that's washable and ready to use again, this duster combines convenience, durability, and precision to make cleaning effortless. The 15-inch PVA sponge mop, with its 60-inch long handle, makes floor cleaning easier and streak-free across hardwood, tile, and laminate surfaces. No harsh chemicals needed. Its superior absorbency can pick up 80 to 90% of water, leaving your floors dry in minutes while reducing water stains and preventing slips. Durable and long-lasting, this mop's unique PVA material hardens when dry to resist odors and softens quickly when soaked, making it a reliable, efficient tool for any home cleaning task. This toilet cleaner scrubber features unique S-shaped bristles and a curved brush head for deep, 360 degrees cleaning, reaching even the toughest spots under the rim and grooves. Its open, hanging holder design keeps water drips contained and quickly evaporated, ensuring your bathroom stays clean, dry, and odor-free. With an elongated ergonomic handle and a matte grip, this scrubber makes toilet cleaning effortless and more comfortable than ever. The Keyboard Cleaning Kit is your ultimate tool for keeping electronics spotless, designed to deep clean devices like keyboards, laptops, smartphones, and more. It includes everything from a retractable brush for keyboards, a metal pin tip for precision cleaning, and microfiber cloths that leave screens streak-free. Compact and multifunctional, it even caters to delicate surfaces like camera lenses and headphone charging cases, making it the perfect all-in-one solution for maintaining your tech.